What's good? Today I'm going to show you how to make these DIY face masks. They require no sewing. They are made in literally under 60 seconds and they're made out of things that you should already have in your house. Now, if you don't have these specific materials, I'm also going to give you like some alternatives that you can use that also might be in your house probably. A couple of days ago, the mayor of LA advised the county to wear non-medical grade face masks or face coverings when we leave our house to go on essential trips like to the grocery store or whatever. And the CDC either today or yesterday also advised the same thing. So, from my understanding, I guess the idea is not necessarily to protect the wearer of the mask. It's really that we don't know who is an asymptomatic carrier of the virus. So I guess the idea is that if we all wear these non-medical grade face masks or coverings, it can help to decrease the risk of transmission. So let's get on to the face masks. So the main thing you're gonna need is a medium-sized square piece of fabric. You can use a bandana or a scarf. I'm using a bandana. You're gonna fold it in half. Then fold one side to the middle and then fold the other side to meet that other side at the middle. Then you're going to take two hair ties and slide them onto each end of the bandana. Fold the two ends towards the middle and tuck one side into the other. And that is literally it, girls. Yes, ma'am. The girls are responsible and stylish. Now, I used hair ties because I find that they're just way more comfortable than rubber bands are, but obviously, if you haven't got hair ties, you can use rubber bands. Now, if you don't have either of those, you can use socks. Now, let me explain how this works because you're probably like, huh? Take any pair of old socks that you have in your drawer because I know you have a pair that's dusty and crusty and should have been recycled a long time ago. Well, now here's your chance to upcycle them, folks. Take your old pair of socks and cut the top band off. It's stretchy just like a hair tie, and the fabric is thicker, so it actually feels a lot more comfortable around the ears than a rubber band or hair tie. Now, if you don't have a bandana or a square scarf, I've tried this with a cotton t-shirt and it worked, but it was really heavy and it was huge. Alternatively, you could cut up an old shirt to make smaller pieces of fabric if you're making these for multiple people in your household, or you could also try using pillowcases. And that's how to make DIY face masks without sewing, folks. Be sure to share this video with friends and family, and let's keep our communities safe. Stay at home, stay safe, be responsible. These masks are not meant to be used in place of social distancing, washing your hands, etc. These masks are an additional precautionary measure advised by the CDC. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay safe, and I'll catch you guys next time.
Peace!